What if I told you that attraction has very little to do with looks, money, or even confidence? Most people believe you need to be perfect to be liked. But psychology tells a very different story. Attraction is mostly emotional, and emotions follow patterns. In this video, I'm going to share powerful psychological principles that explain why some people become attractive without trying, while others struggle even after doing everything right. Stay till the end, because the last principle is the most important and almost nobody talks about it. Let's start with something simple but extremely powerful. Psychology shows that we naturally like people we see often. This is called the familiarity effect. When someone feels familiar, our brain labels them as safe and comfortable. You don't need to impress her every time you meet. Just being consistently calm, respectful, and positive slowly builds attraction. Comfort always comes before attraction, and familiarity creates that comfort. Now, let's talk about the way you speak. People who speak slowly are subconsciously seen as more confident and emotionally stable. When you rush your words, your brain signals nervousness and insecurity. Slowing down your speech shows control. You don't need clever lines or jokes. A calm tone with fewer words is far more attractive than trying too hard to sound impressive. Another powerful factor is emotional expression. Attraction doesn't grow through facts, it grows through feelings. When you talk only about information, you stay forgettable. But when you share emotions, even small ones, you create connection. Saying how something made you feel allows the other person to emotionally relate to you. Emotional openness builds trust, and trust fuels attraction. One of the strongest psychological biases is that people like those who make them feel heard. Most people listen just to reply, not to understand. When you truly listen and reflect back what someone says, their brain feels validated. This creates a sense of emotional safety. When someone feels understood around you, they naturally feel closer to you. Mystery also plays a huge role in attraction. The human brain is wired to chase unfinished stories. When you reveal everything about yourself too quickly, there's nothing left to discover. Mystery doesn't mean being distant or cold. It simply means not oversharing. Leave small gaps. Let curiosity work for you. Attraction grows in the space between what is known and what is unknown. Another important psychological principle is positive association. If someone consistently feels relaxed, happy, or comfortable around you, their brain starts linking those emotions to you. You don't need to be entertaining all the time. Just avoid negativity, complaining, or emotional chaos. Calm energy is deeply attractive because it makes people feel safe. Let's talk about self-respect. Psychology shows that people are drawn to those who value their own time and boundaries. When you agree with everything or always seek approval, it signals low self-worth. But when you calmly stand by your opinions and respect yourself, others naturally respect you too. Attraction grows when someone feels they are interacting with a complete person, not someone seeking validation. Another subtle but powerful factor is emotional stability. Being able to stay calm under pressure shows strength. Emotional reactions push people away, while emotional control pulls them closer. When someone sees that you don't panic, overreact, or get easily offended, their brain feels secure around you. Now, here's the most important psychological truth about attraction. People don't fall for words. They fall for how they feel around you. If someone feels comfortable, understood, curious, and emotionally safe in your presence, attraction happens naturally. You don't force it. You allow it. Attraction isn't about chasing. It's about creating a space where someone wants to stay. And once you understand this, everything changes.